Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you pertaining to logarithm. So let's take a look. Let a greater than 1 and x greater than 1 satisfy the equation log base a log of a log base a 2a plus log base a 24 minus 128 equal to 128 and log base a log of ax equal to 256. Find the remainder when x is divided by 1000. So here from the first condition we actually have, say, a of 128, you can write it as log base a log a 2 plus log base a 24 minus 128. We can further write it as 128 plus a 28 a 24. Okay, we can further write this as a to the power 128 and to the power a to the power 128 equal to 22 to the power 24, which can be further written as to the power 28 to the power a to the power 128 equal to 2 to the power 24 equal to 8 to the power 8. So therefore we can finally conclude a to the power a to the power 128 is equal to 8. Okay, so putting each side to the power 128 we have, so let me just write, putting each side to power of 128 we have a to the power 128 to power a to the power 128, which can be written as 8 to the power 8 equal to 64 to the power 64. Therefore 28 can be written as 64, written as a equal to 3 by 64. So specifically we can again write this one as 256 equal to log a x, which can be again written as 64 by 3 so 12 2 by 3 log 2x, which can be further written as 2 to the power 12 equal to 64 by 3 192 192. Now having found this, one thing we need to keep in mind is that we only wish to find x mod 1000. Okay, so to do this we can actually uh, now okay, so value of x here being 192. So to do this we can note that x equal to 0 and mod 8. So now by Chinese remainder theorem we can actually find x to the power by use of Chinese remainder theorem we can actually come across and solve this particular question. So if I am to rewrite this particular question now, so what we have here is nothing but, say, 2 to the x is 2 to the power 192, and we need to find mod 1000. Okay, so now let me use Chinese remainder theorem and break this down into two co-primes. So two co-primes, what can be those two co-primes? So let me just prime factorize 1000, so sure, 200, another 5, 40, another 5, 8. So we can say it's 25, 8. Okay, 125 and 8. So these are the two prime factors. So now let me draw particularly solve this. So 2 to the power 192 mod 125. Okay. So now let me solve this using first of all by Euler's. So 192 mod Euler of 125. Okay. So if I do that, what I have is, so 125 means 5. So 125, 1 minus 1 by 5. 25 and 4 by 5. So it comes out to be 100. So 192. This can be written as 192 mod 100. So this will give me a remainder of 92. So therefore 2 to the power 92 mod 125. Okay, so if we solve this, we get remainder 125. So what we have is 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. Okay, so this can be written as 2 to the power 7 into 7 if we say 7 13s are into 2 mod 125. So this one divided this 128 divided by 125 is, it gives remainder as 3. It gives remainder 3 to the power 13 and 2, again mod 125. Okay, so 3 125. If we further solve this, this would basically give us remainder as 21. Okay, and now secondly, if I solve 2 to the power 192 mod 8, so 2 cube, it's already divisible by 8, so there's 2 cube, so this will give us remainder 0. So this particular part I can write as 125x plus 21. This I can write as 896. Okay, plus 0, since that is no oh no, sorry, not 896. This I can write as a 8y plus 0. Okay, so now I have to find a certain value of x and a certain value of y for which both these equations are equal. So what we can do is that for x equal to 7 and for y equal to 112, we have 896 here and again 896 in this part as well. So therefore our answer will be 896. So I hope this is clear, the approach to solving this question. In the end, we applied Chinese remainder theorem to particularly solve this particular question. Okay, so kindly go through the solution of the same so you can get a better understanding of the subject matter, and go through the video as many times as you are comfortable. And also with the aid of this video, try to solve the question on your own so that you can get a better understanding on the same as well. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.